All right. Ideally, canceling an eBay order should naturally be the easiest thing to do. You bought something on eBay. Say you bought this screwdriver for one reason or another. I keep using this screwdriver. You see, you bought this screwdriver and you realize that, oh, I think I made a mistake. I don't want it. I don't want a situation where a buyer is going to send it to me and then, of course, I already made up my mind that I do not want this screwdriver. What you have to do normally is to go onto your eBay app on your phone. If you have bought on the app, you want to go to the item that you already bought. You want to go there, click on it. It's going to be, one option that's going to tell you to request a cancellation, because I have received cancellation requests not once, not twice from people. They bought my stuff for one reason or the other. They do not like it and they want to, responsible people, they want to be polite. They just tell you, look, I ordered this item, by mistake. All right. Please, can you go ahead and cancel it? And each time I receive the kind of order, all I have to do is to go, boom, 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 check it and just approve it. Boom. eBay does every other thing behind the scene, which is buyer receives the money that he or she have paid and I get to keep, my item. eBay doesn't charge me for this. This is a service that's already built into the system, the eBay platform. It doesn't matter if you are shopping on mobile or even if you are shopping on your desktop. Ideally, it's supposed to be very easy. And it's not only an eBay thing. Every platform you have out there, be it Amazon, whatnot, has made it possible for everybody, because we are humans. Sometimes we tend to make mistakes. The platforms have made it possible for us to be able to cancel transactions whenever, however we want it. It doesn't matter if you bought an item for 700 euros. The moment you feel like you don't want it, you should be able, to cancel it. But there's this group of people, group of buyers that, for some funny reasons, I do not understand what's going on. Perhaps they do not know how to cancel an eBay transaction. Because of that, they go ahead to buy your stuff on eBay and they keep quiet. They bought the item. They are calm about it. This is an item that's been fully described. Everything has been laid out in the description. The kind of PC, if it's a PC, the kind of item, the size, the color, what it can do, what it cannot do. Everything has been laid out. This is what a lot of sellers tend to do with their listing. No seller just throws an item there and hope that the buyer will understand what the item is. We go ahead, we make pictures, we try to make a title, we try to put the item description. Sometimes we make like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pictures, or to show the potential buyer the item that the buyer is trying to buy. I'm not talking about people that, take original pictures on the internet. I'm talking about people that actually physically place the item, take the phone or take a camera and physically, photograph the item. That's a lot of work. And we do all this all because we do not want somebody to say, I didn't see what kind of item was being sent to me, so I bought it, and now the item has been delivered. I do not like it. We do all these things. We take these pains to go through, making these pictures. And sometimes we make these pictures, the background might not be good enough. You might feel like, I want a white background. So what you do is to go ahead and edit this photo on some program. I typically tend to use Photoshop, even though eBay, has tried to make this process very, very easy for us. eBay has an inbuilt app, like an AI assistant that helps you remove your background. I've not tried it, but I've heard that it works pretty well. But what I do is to take my pictures, put it on Photoshop, remove the background, kind of make sure the picture is looking really like sweet, make it pop so that whenever anybody sees it, he or she will be like, okay, this is an item I want to buy. They go ahead, click on the buy it now button, chi-chan, I get a sale, I get my money and the items get shipped off. But the problem is there are some group of buyers